If you came into this video because of this thumbnail, you came to the right place. This is a brand that I have to recommend to you guys. It's been something that has really helped my skin since coming to New York City. If you came into this video, you probably have acne prone sensitive skin like myself. Or maybe you guys just have some questions about Korean skincare products and the right Korean skincare products for people with oily acne prone skin. A lot of people that are really into Korean skincare do not have acne prone skin, I feel like. A lot of them suffer from dry skin, and basically a lot of the products are suitable for people that suffer from dryness and not so much acne. If you're new here, my skin definitely goes through ups and downs in terms of the condition of it. I break out just like all of you guys, and I'm basically here sharing my journey, experimenting with skincare and products that actually help with the breakouts. I am somebody that basically suffers from hormonal acne, and if I don't take care of my diet, my health, and my skincare, I end up breaking out like this. So to kind of keep you guys up to date, I basically was invited to this big Korean expo basically a few weeks ago, and I was given so much free skincare products, and I am a skincare fiend, so I love to try and experiment and try to find the best moisturizer, the best toner. But sometimes what ends up happening when you just try new products without doing your research is that you end up purging. There's something in the product that does not react well to your skin, and you end up breaking out. And that is exactly what happened to me. I should have been a little bit more careful in terms of trying new products, and basically my skin broke out. So after I broke out, I basically focused on my health. I started taking my vitamins again, and I started eating healthy, and I also started using a really simple skincare product. Out of all the products that I saw and that I researched, there was one brand that basically seemed to have the cleanest ingredients, and after doing some research I found out that it is a really good brand that is creating a ton of buzz in Korea. All the Korean skincare influencers are talking about it, and basically when I started using this product, my skin ended up getting a lot better. Without further ado, the brand that I want to share with you guys is called Parnell. So a little bit about Parnell. Parnell is creating a lot of buzz in Korea because it aims to source clean raw ingredients from New Zealand and pair it with sustainable packaging. For me and my personal taste in skincare, I am really picky when it comes to ingredients. I try not to fall for green marketing or just even just marketing ploys where they make it seem like the ingredients are really clean just off of their marketing spiel. I work in marketing, so I know all the tricks of the trade that people tend to use to make it seem like a product is really clean, but you gotta do your own research. I typically look up ingredients of products all the time on the internet to make sure that it does not contain anything that'll break me out. Parnell creates a wide range of skincare for all different skin types, but out of the products I use, these are the top two that I would recommend for people with acne prone sensitive skin like myself. The first product that I want to share with you guys is the Parnell Sikamanu Cotton Clear Pads. This is a 2021 Glow Pick winner, and it is probably the product that I would recommend the most out of the entire line for anybody with oily skin or acne prone skin. It comes with this really neat little tong, a skin tong, and you can get individual ones like this, and the product is just totally soaked. So the Parnell Sikamanu Cotton Clear Pad is a daily facial toner pad formulated with Sikamanu and LHA to gently exfoliate and hydrate your sensitive skin without irritating it and also improving the skin texture. This is a really great pad for people with acne prone skin simply because you can use it daily without it over stripping or over exfoliating your skin. A lot of other cotton clear pads that I found meant for people with acne prone skin is formulated with BHA or AHA, which can actually end up making your skin really red or really irritated if your skin isn't acclimated to it. So this is actually formulated with LHA, which is a derivative of BHA, and it's a lot more gentle on the skin. So it's better if you have sensitive skins because it'll be more gentle on your skin barrier. Also, what makes this super impressive is that Parnell uses a 3rd generation cotton pad, which is completely biodegradable. So I don't feel as bad using a bunch of these as a face pack because it is a lot better for the environment than other types of cotton pads. And I go through a lot of cotton pads, let me tell you. The next product that I have to recommend to you guys is the Parnell Sikamanu Gel Cream. And the standout reason for this product is the texture. It is such a nice bouncy texture. Do you guys see that? And then if I swatch it, it's amazing. And basically what really stands out about this is that it absorbs literally instantly into the skin. When you are in a rush, that is what you want. You want a moisturizer that just absorbs instantly. And what I hate the most, and it's my biggest pet peeve with like moisturizers that have clean ingredients, is that the finish of it is like too thick. I hate that. I'm somebody that is in a rush all the time, and I need something that just quickly absorbs, especially in the morning. And look at that, it just instantly absorbs into the skin while still being really hydrating. And it is incredibly cooling as well. This one is formulated with Manuka honey and Centella asiatica as well, but it also is formulated with a patented niacinamide, I believe, or a ceramide. Let me just double check. So it is also formulated with an ingredient called ceragosine, which is a ceramide that has scientifically been proven to strengthen the skin barrier. This is something you can't really find in other skincare brands, and it is also made without sulfate, alcohol, synthetic fragrance, parabens, or platelets. Like I said, it is super lightweight and super bouncy, and it is one of my top picks for moisturizers with people with oily skin, I would say. I like to really layer this under makeup. It really layers beautifully. And I'm just gonna apply some on right now. And it is just so fresh and refreshing. My personal experience with this moisturizer is the fact that it is really fast and efficient. The ingredients are super clean. You can look it up for yourself. And the best thing about this is basically the finish. It has probably one of the nicest finishes I've seen in a moisturizer that is a gel type. They also have a bunch of other really great products for people with dry, sensitive skin, including their Sikamane 92 serum, I believe. I think that's what it's called. Also, if you're interested in picking up some of this for yourself and you want to try it out, I'll leave all the information below in terms of how you can get Parnell for yourself. They also have really good sales on a monthly basis, so make sure you guys check out their website. And that pretty much wraps up my video. If you have any questions, please leave them down below, and I'll catch you guys in my next video. Bye!